for doing the RSI search. Search is the new search में आप जाओ. When you press, you get this particular screen. In this screen, you are interested in searching on RSI. RSI is what, a parameter, right? So then you go to parameter, say new. Okay, new में अभी आप इधर डालो RSI greater than 60 is what you are interested. So give that sensible name and also say monthly M. Okay, and then in the period you select monthly. Okay, यहाँ पे RSI पे जाओ, add करो. Okay, so now in parameter you are able to see RSI. So now RSI we need what, greater than 60. So then RSI को select करो, ये blue होने के बाद go to edit, and over here you say above 60, below निकाल दो. We don't want the below का part because I am only interested in above 60. Okay, okay करो, okay करो. This is what you are, and currently it is, this portfolio means all 220 scripts of future, right? And then if I say this is ready and I just says search, so can we see it is searching on the 204 scripts which are in futures, all the companies which has got currently monthly above 60. So this is where you can easily get this list. What we are getting is good number.
नहीं वो वीकली में कम हो जाता है. वीकली में
36, right? So 36 is what we got as monthly greater than 60. Now what you have to search is out of this 36, कितने का weekly is also above 60, right? So now you have to save this list first, right? So when you are here, तो आप search में जाओ और नीचे आपको मेक पोर्टफोलियो दिखता है.
सर एक मिनट नोट डाउन कर.
अरे आपको वीडियो सेंड करेंगे ना. तो मेक पोर्टफोलियो में जाओ एंड गिव दिस अ सेंसिबल नेम. अभी आज का डेट क्या है, 10th मार्च. ओके, 10th मार्च मंथली ग्रेटर देन 60, राइट? सो दिस इज व्हाट यू आर सेविंग. ओके बोल दो. ओके, नाउ आपने एक पोर्टफोलियो बनाया, तो पोर्टफोलियो किधर दिखेगा, ये पोर्टफोलियो है, इसके नीचे में आपको पोर्टफोलियो दिखेगा 10th मार्च मंथली ग्रेटर देन 60, राइट? इसको सिलेक्ट करो और पैरामीटर में जाओ. नाउ यू वांट इवन वीकली ग्रेटर देन 60. ये 34 में से कितना ऐसा है जिसका वीकली भी 60 के ऊपर है, राइट? So in that case, you say create new, say RSI weekly greater than 60. ठीक है, पीरियड में वीकली डाल दो. ओके, RSI वापस ऐड करो.
What is that number of bars over here?
That is one bar. That is nothing. Ignore. Okay, RSI पे जाओ. And then select is above 60 again. Okay. Okay. Now against this portfolio, you will run with this parameter. तो अभी वो क्या रन करेगा, देखो 36 के सामने ढूंढ रहा है वो. तो 36 में से only 19 are right now monthly and weekly above 60, right? So now save this list also. तो वापस अब सर्च में जाओ, मेक पोर्टफोलियो 3rd मार्च 10th मार्च सॉरी 10th मार्च वीकली ग्रेटर देन 60.
MW मंथली वीकली.
ओके, NW greater than 60. Okay, now you select this particular in your portfolio. Now as per 2A, either you will have to find on daily whether that stock is taking 40 support or 60 support, right? So then what you will have to go and do is parameters में जाके, okay, say new, एक में बनाना पड़ेगा RSI daily greater than 60,
Monthly ना sir?
अभी डेली
daily. So अभी daily है तो I'll select that only. RSI ऐड करूंगा, RSI पे वापस I'll go and I'll say is above
बट
59. Okay. Why? Because I'm looking forward for 60 support. Okay, so 59 or 58 is also a good number. Okay, so then I will keep this like this. इधर है, अच्छा इधर.
इट कुड बी 78 आल्सो राइट
70.
78 वाला भी फिल्टर होएगा ना
हाँ 78 वाला भी फिल्टर होगा. ओके, कितना आता है? We'll have to see that. Only 3 stocks. So now, out of 204, there are current 3 trades which are there on 2A on the 60-60-60 side. Similarly, you will have to do it on 40, 38 और 42 के बीच में का RSI का, so that you get that 40 support वाला trade भी, right? So now if you just see individual Reliance या Havells पे जाओ, okay, see when you go to default it will open like this, so do not go this. You can have a privilege of ये एक open है, right? मैं दूसरा विंडो भी ओपन कर सकता हूँ. ओके, सो लिस्ट इधर है. ओके, देयर इज ये जो लिस्ट है उसको आप कॉपी पेस्ट नहीं कर सकते. ओके, सो यू हैव टू मैन्युअली फिट इट समवेयर एंड देन सी Havells and check where it is. So Havells is at 59.67, so there is a chance with weekly above 60, monthly also above 60, we might see a bounce on this. So depending on where this candle is right now, okay, this is also at support. अगर आप देखोगे तो support पे ही it is clustering. There can be a breakout onto the higher side, which will also give you about 60. So if the RSI, हाँ,
ट्विजर टॉप पे है ना?
tweezer top तो नहीं है ये, tweezer top नहीं बोल सकते because this is at the support level. See, this is the support for it. Right, this is their support line, and at support line only it is gathering, right? So then this is one of the stock. Second stock was Reliance. Reliance, we know that it is all already above this. It is also at CIP, right? So it is at support, price support, and all time frames above 60. So then again this can be a good stock if it crosses this particular level right now, 1280. Right, and third stock on the
Titan.
Titan, yes. Titan was the third stock. So Titan again, it is what? It is a doji, and if it is above the doji or above this particular level, you can buy it. 1070 के ऊपर you can buy with 1046. Yeah, this low as your stop loss. Then it breaks 60 also. This is the monthly and weekly is strongly above. Weekly has already taken 60 support in last week, and it was also at a gap support. Right. So this is how, with the knowledge that you have gained in these 2 days, you can easily analyze also. Right. ठीक है. You got how to filter the stocks on basis of RSI. The same thing you can also use with volume. 3x 4x का parameters भी है. तो volume